welcome back to another segment of Tools of the Trade. It's a series that I've been doing on various tools that I use around the shop, ones that I think are unique that others might find some benefit of knowing about and trying out for themselves. And this is an idea I came up with probably about 10 or 12 years ago when we were doing a large marble job, and I needed a large sanding block. So I made up this one out of a piece of an offcut. It was a Spanish Marfel. And yeah, so I made this around the size of a standardized 3x18 sanding belt. And I just glued on the handles with some epoxy resin. They're just wood dowel handles, probably from an old shovel or broom or something. And yeah, so you can see I've just got a zip tie holding the belt on. Originally I had elastic bands, and I think elastic bands work better if you can get large, industrial grade elastic bands, ones that are have just the right tension for the size. But they kind of keep the tension on and keep the belt on nicely. But yeah, so it's just a sanding belt. You use it like a planer, and you just go back and forth, and you let the weight do the sanding. And in the end, unfortunately, this belt is a little worn, so for demonstration purposes, I can't really show you the end result. But that's roughly how you use it, and I think you can figure out the rest. And then you can keep changing the belt. So you start out with a really coarse one, something like maybe a 24 or 36 grit, and then you refine it from there. Next you'd go with something like a 50, and then maybe a 60, then maybe an 80 or 100, and probably up to about a 120. I think would be about as high as you'd need it. And it's just, to tell you, it's an absolutely beautiful tool to use. And it's you'd have to try it out yourself to really understand the beauty of and simplicity of the tool. But it solves a lot of problems that I can't think of any other tool that solves them quite the same. And that, including being able to come up right close to erises and molding if you're doing like a long panel, and you need to, as long as you don't smack the sides of the stone with it, because it's got some girth. But as long as you use it with focus, you can get it right up tight and close and straight to things. There's all kinds of reasons why this tool is amazing, simple solution for modern problems. And well, it's cheap, so it's great for small shops with low overheads. Doesn't throw dust around like fast mechanical tools do. And I can tell you, you can get a surface absolutely perfect with it, which is another bonus too. So just something I wanted to share, and it's just I've never seen anybody else use this before. I'm sure it's been done. I don't think any of my ideas are 100% original, but I like to think of them as being mine. So I'm here sharing this idea that I came up with and absolutely love, and I hope you love it too. So yeah, that's all. I just wanted to talk about this. I've been wanting to share this for a while because it's just an awesome tool to use, and I hope you enjoy it too. So thanks for watching.